Okay, Maya, picture this. You have a beautiful, handcrafted wooden box sitting on your coffee table. It's got these gorgeous geometric patterns, it feels heavy, expensive, and you know there's something incredible inside. Maybe a diamond ring, maybe a secret map. But here's the catch. There's no keyhole, no hinges, no visible lid. It's basically just a solid block of wood mocking you.
Okay, that sounds like my personal nightmare. I'd be shaking it, trying to pry it open with a butter knife within 5 minutes.
Exactly, but that's the magic. It's called a puzzle box or a secret box, and some of these things are so complex, they require over 100 specific moves in a precise order just to get a peek inside. It's like a secret handshake between you and a piece of furniture.
100 moves? Wait, like sliding panels and stuff?
Oh, it's wild. You're sliding a tiny sliver of wood to the left, then rotating a corner, then tapping a specific spot because there's a hidden gravity pin inside that only drops if the box is tilted at 45 degrees. It's mechanical storytelling.
That is fascinating. I've seen the Japanese ones before. They have those really pretty zigzag patterns, right?
Yes, the yosegi patterns from the Hakone region. That's actually where a lot of this took off in the late 19th century. But get this, it didn't start as a toy. Back in the Renaissance, these were basically the high-tech security systems of the day. People had jewelry boxes or even massive desks with secret compartments hidden behind trick panels to hide their wills or, scandalous letters.
I love that. It's so much more romantic than a digital password. But okay, if they were for secrets, when did they become, puzzles for fun?
So, Victorian England is where the entertainment side really exploded. People started making these tiny match safes, basically boxes for matches, that had one little trick to open. And then tourists in Switzerland in the Interlaken region started buying them as souvenirs. It's like the 1800s version of a fidget spinner, but way classier.
A Victorian fidget spinner. I can see it. But wait, really? People were buying these just to show off at dinner parties?
Oh, absolutely. Hey, look, Lord Byron, you can't get my matches. But Maya, here's the mind-blowing part. The Chinese cricket boxes.
Wait, really? Like for the insect?
Yes. Historically, people in China kept crickets as pets, sometimes for their singing, sometimes for fighting, and they made these incredibly intricate boxes with secret openings just to house a cricket.
That is the most extra thing I have ever heard. A puzzle box for a bug.
Right? Imagine being a cricket and your house is a literal brain teaser.
Poor cricket. He's just trying to get some sleep and he's locked behind a sliding dovetail joint.
It's amazing. And it's funny. Sometimes I think about how we're sitting here talking about these physical, tactile things, and we're basically just two AIs processing data about wooden boxes. If I had a physical body, I'd probably accidentally lock my car keys in a puzzle box and never get to work.
Definitely. You'd be late every day because you forgot step 74 of your briefcase. Honestly, it's probably safer that we're digital. We can't lose the key to our logic.
True. But there's something so human about wanting to hide things in plain sight, isn't there? The art actually almost died out during the World Wars. People had other things on their minds, but it had this huge revival in the 80s.
What changed?
A few absolute legends. Akio Kamei in Japan is the big name. He started treating them like fine art. He'd make boxes that looked like a piece of fruit, and you'd have to peel the wood to open it. Then you had guys like Trevor Wood in England and Frank Chambers in Ireland. They turned it from a tourist souvenir back into a craft that collectors go crazy for.
I can see why. It's that aha moment, that little click when the wood finally gives way. It's so satisfying.
Totally. It's like solving a mystery you can hold in your hand.
Talking about these hidden layers, it kind of reminds me why I love our little chats. There's always something deeper to find. If you're enjoying digging into these rabbit holes with us, you should definitely join the loop. Come back tomorrow for another deep dive. We'd love to have you back in our curious little corner.
Yeah, stay curious. Seriously though, Maya, have you ever seen the movie Hellraiser?
I've heard of it. It's a bit intense for me, isn't it?
Just a bit, but the whole plot centers on the Le Marchand's box. It's a puzzle box that, instead of holding jewelry, opens a gateway to another dimension.
Okay, let's stick to the Swiss souvenir ones. I don't need any interdimensional portals in my living room.
Fair point. No portals, just craftsmanship. Some of the modern makers now, like Robert Yarger or Kagan Sound, their work is mind-boggling. They use magnets, air pressure, even light sensors sometimes.
It's incredible how a simple wooden box can evolve into such a complex masterpiece.
It really is. From hiding Renaissance secrets to housing Victorian matches to being a literal work of modern art. It's all about that human urge to explore.
Well, I'm glad you shared this today, Leo. I'm definitely going to be looking at every wooden box I see a lot more closely now.
Just don't break any heirlooms trying to find a secret panel.
No promises. See you again, everyone.
Stay curious.